So good day, ma'am. I am Alice Zarbantas from BSN1C, your student nurse for today. So today, I'm going to assess the head to toe. So definition, um, health assessment is the collection of data about an individual's health. Physical examination is a head-to-toe review in each body system that offers objective information about the client and helps health healthcare provider to make a clinical judgment. So purpose, um, health assessment is to make a clinical judgment about and uh, or diagnostic about an individual's health state or condition. Next is physical examination is for acquiring a new job for a client's admission to the hospital. So let's proceed to the procedure number one. Identify and explain the procedure to the client. Rationale to reduce anxiety and increase cooperation. So, hi ma'am. Ano po name niyo ma'am?
Maya po.
Um, I-assess po kita ngayon sa head to toe ma'am. Okay lang po ba yun? Next is observe appearance, apparent age compared to the stated age, dress, grooming and hygiene, body build. Rationale, observing general appearance may provide diagnostic clues to illness. Ma'am, naligo po ba kayo?
Apo.
Ilang taon po kayo ma'am?
21 po.
Next is take the body measurement, height, weight, BMI, rationale, to have the client's baseline data. Ma'am, ilan po yung height niyo ma'am?
5 plus po.
Weight niyo po ma'am. Next is take the client's vital signs. First is blood pressure, pulse rate, respiratory rate, temperature, pain scale. Rationale, taking the initial vital signs will serve as the baseline data for future comparison. Kuhanan po kita ng vital signs, ma'am. First is temperature po, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede pa ba doon? Kuhanan na rin kita ng pulse rate. So, ang pulse rate niya ma'am is 65, so which is normal. Ang temperature niya is 36.0 Celsius. Panan mo na kita ng respiratory. Respiratory rate naman is 80, which is normal. So, kuhanan mo na kita ng blood pressure. Ang blood pressure niyo, ma'am, is 110/80, which is normal. Next is, conduct a physical examination from head to toe using 4 skills in assessment: inspection, palpation, percussion, auscultation, rationale, to assess, determine, and identify abnormal findings in the body system. So next is assessing the skin. First is skin color. Method uses inspection. Rationale varies with light to deep brown. Next is skin lesion. Rationale: freckles, some birthmarks, some spots or raised navi or moles, abrasion, or other lesions. Next is skin moisture. Moisture in skin folds and axillae varies with environmental temperature and activity. Next is skin turgor. When pinched, the skin springs back to its previous state. Pinch ko lang po. Next is assessing the nails. First is nail texture. Rationale, smooth texture. Next is nail plate shape. Rationale, convex curvature, a angle between nail or nail bed. Next is nail bed color. Nail bed color. Rationale, a highly vascular pink in light skin client. A dark skin client may have brown or black pigmentation. Next is check for the capillary refill test. Rationale, result should be less than 2 seconds. Next is assessing the head. First is hair. Evenness of growth over the scalp. Rationale, evenly distributed. Next is texture and oiliness. Rationale, silky and resilient hair. Next is thickness or thinness. Rationale, hair should be thick. Next is infection or infestation. Rationale, no infection or infestation should be noted. Next is assessing the skull and face. First is assess the skull for size, shape, symmetry. Assess the skull for size, shape, symmetry, masses, nodules, and depression. Rationale, rounded normocephalic and symmetric with frontal, parietal, and occipital prominences, smooth contour, absence of nodules and masses. Next is symmetry of facial movement. Instruct the client to raise eyebrows, smile, frown, puff the cheeks. Rationale, symmetrical facial movement. Ma'am, i-raise niyo lang pang eyebrows niyo. Smile po. Next is assessing the assessing the eye structure and visual acuity. First is next. First is inspect the eyebrows for hair distribution. For hair distribution, rationale. Skin intact, evenly distributed, skin intact, equal symmetrically aligned, equal movement. Next is eyelids, the ability of blinking. Rationale, lids close symmetrically. Ma'am, mag-blink ka daw. Next is conjunction, lining the eyelids by reverting the lids. Rationale, smooth, shiny, pink, or red. Next is cornea. Uh, cornea, clarity and texture. Rationale, transparent, shiny, smooth, details or iris are visible. Next is pupil for color and symmetry of size. Rationale, black in color, equal in size, normally 3 to 7 millimeter in diameter, round, smooth border. It is flat and round. Next is pupil reaction to light. Non-illuminated pupil constrict, the non-illuminated pupil constrict. Next is reaction to accommodation. Rationale. Pupil converge when looking at near pupil dilate when looking at pupil constrict when looking at near object. Pupil dilate when looking at far object. Pupil converge when near object are moving towards the nose. Next is assessing the ears. Articles for color and symmetry. Rationale, same as facial skin. Next is articles for elasticity and areas of tenderness. Rationale, mobile, firm, not tender, pinnacles after it is folded. Next is hearing acuity. Client responds to normal voice tone. Rationale, normal voice tone audible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Narinig niyo po ako, ma'am. Next is client responds to whispered voice, non-consecutive numbers. Rationale, able to repeat non-consecutive number. Pwede po ulitin mo, ma'am.
1, 3, 4, 5.
Next is assessing the nose. External nose for any deviation in shape. size or in color, and flaring of discharge from the nares. Rationale, symmetric and straight, no discharge of flaring, uniform color. Next is external nose to determine any areas of tenderness, masses, and displacement of bones and cartilage. Rationale, no, not tender, no lesions. Next is patency of both nasal cavities. Rationale, air movements is restricted in one or both nares. Next is assessing the mouth and oropharynx. Assessing the mouth and oropharynx. First is lip and buccal mucosa. Lip and buccal mucosa. Rationale, uniform pink color. Next is teeth and gums. Rationale, pinkish gum, smooth white, shiny smooth enamel. Next is tongue or floor of the mouth. Rationale, central position. Next is tongue movement. Rationale, moves freely, no tenderness. Next is oropharynx and tonsils. Inspect the oropharynx for color and texture. Rationale, pink and smooth posterior wall. Next is assessing the neck. Assessing the neck. Inspect neck for muscle. Rationale, muscle size, head centered. Next is observe head movement. Rationale, observe head movement. Rationale, coordinated, smooth movement with no discomfort. Yan po ano sa right ko. Next is palpate the thyroid glands for smoothness. Rationale, may not be palpable. Next is assessing the thorax and lungs. First is shape and symmetry of the thorax form, posterior and lateral views. Rationale, symmetrical chest. Next is palpate the posterior thorax. Rationale, skin intact, uniform temperature. Next is palpate the posterior chest for respiratory excursion. Rationale, full full and symmetric chest expansion. Next is anterior thorax. Next is anterior thorax. Inspect the anterior thorax. Inspect the breathing pattern. Rationale. Regular rhythm rate 16 to 20 beats per minute.
Ma'am, inhale and exhale po. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
Next is breathe sounds. Breathe sounds. Rationale. Breathe sounds. Rationale. Rationale. Normal breathe sound vesicular. Bronchovesicular. Bronchovesicular and bronchial.
Ma'am, inhale and exhale po. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
Next is auscultate the heart in all four anatomic sites: aortic, pulmonic, tricuspid, apical, or mitral. In every areas of auscultation, distinguish both S1 and S2 sounds. Rationale, normal beats 60 to 100 beats per minute. And S1 and S2 should be heard at all sites. So let's proceed to the assessing the abdomen. So first is inspect the abdomen for skin integrity, contour and symmetry. Rationale, unblemished skin, uniform color, flat, rounded, concave. Next is auscultate the abdomen. Auscultate the abdomen for vowel sounds. Rationale, audible vowel sounds. Next is percuss the abdomen. In four quadrants. Rationale, absence of dull sounds. Next is palpate the liver. Rationale, may not be palpable. Next is assessing the geotract. Ask the patient if there's any problem in the geotract. Rationale, asking the patient gauges the needs for further evaluation and assessment. Ma'am, may masakit po ba sa inyong paglibis, ma'am? Wala. Since ang patient is wala namang masakit sa kanyang geotract, hindi ko na po i-assess. Next is musculoskeletal system. So first is musculoskeletal system. So first is inspect muscle for size, rationale, equal in size in both sides of the body. Next is inspect the joints for swelling, rationale, no swelling. Next is palpate the bones and joints for tenderness, smoothness of the movements, crepitation, and nodules. Rationale, no tenderness, and nodules. Next is neurological. First is bicep reflex. Rationale. The contraction of the bicep can be seen and felt. Next is tricep reflex. The contraction of the tricep can be seen as the elbow extend. Next is knee. The contraction of the quadricep causes the knee to extend. Next is ankle. The joints jerks and moves downward. Next is plantar. The bends, the toes bends and curves. Next is reposition the client to ensure patient comfort. Next is make findings of health assessment and physical examination done on the client. Rationale, these are important data to convey to the physician. These are important data to convey to the physician and diagnosis the client. Next is record and document and report any pertinent found during the assessment into the appropriate personnel. Rationale, to provide accurate data in the care of the client.